Hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tonya. Today we're going to be working on this farmhouse style mail center. First I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I placed everything together. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you everything I did as far as the staining and the painting. And I apologize, I am fighting a cold, so I'm not going to talk too much in this video. And everyone, I am going to announce the winner of the 500 subscriber drawing, so please watch till the end. Now I did lose some of my video clip in this video, and this one was just too cute not to share. So I will explain to you here in a little bit how I actually glued and attached everything on. And here's all our pieces. I put them outside to dry because we were having beautiful weather today. Now I'm going to go ahead and just add some chalkboard paint to my glass here. And we'll go ahead and get started where I explain how it's done. Hey everyone, first I want to apologize for the video. I lost some of my clip and this was just too good to not share. And I'm just going to go ahead and talk you through actually what I did as far as gluing all of this on. And this was actually a repurposed canvas that I had purchased at the Goodwill. And this is just one of the thin boards that I purchased from Michael's, and the letters were from Dollar Tree, and the little hearts and the wire and the little house-shaped wood blocks were all from Hobby Lobby. And then to raise the little houses up, I used these little blocks that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And basically all I did was just take them and I just kind of stacked them like this and layered up a couple of layers and just hot glued them on. And I apologize for my voice, I've got a terrible cold right now. And basically like that, and what that would do then is leave just the little pocket here that you see. That way you can put the greenery in there there and just change it out for each season. And now I'm going to go ahead and I just cut out a little paper heart to show you how I actually wrap the heart. And all I really did was just kind of stretch out the chicken wire here and just worked it around over the heart and just bend it around. And this is probably not going to be quite as easy since it's paper, but you kind of get the idea. And there we go. Okay, and then everything else, I did add a little of the E6000 glue in several of these places, and I put a little hot glue on there also, and just hot glued on the letters. And that was pretty much it for that piece. Okay, now this piece was actually a repurposed find that I picked up at Goodwill also for a couple dollars, and it was already kind of like some kind of little letter rack. And I did pick one of the boards up again from Michael's, was this one, stained them with the dark walnut, the little heart from Hobby Lobby, and just added that little bit of chicken wire. And you can pick up the letters at Dollar Tree. I think I actually got these at Hobby Lobby, and that was pretty simple for that one. And for this one, this was also one of my Goodwill finds. And the same concept here, just the wood board from Michael's, and I just E6000 hot glued it right on there. And I did take and do the same technique on this little sign of just gluing just a couple of them underneath here. And you can layer this up as high as you want. And I just did it enough that, and I went ahead and stained them, you can see, just to make a pocket to fit letters in, and just added my letters to that one. And this is another cute little box, and I got all of these actually at Goodwill. I had a really good finding day that day, and just painted all these with the white chalk paint, attached another one of the little wood boards, added my letters, and I just kind of already threw some of my little note cards in there. Okay, on this one, these are the boards that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I just I did attach one of the little what is these called? Fall tooth hooks to the back of each one of these, and just took some of the wide sticks and attached to the back, and I did glue the seam down. And these were just some repurposed little clothespins that I had actually painted just white also. I mean, that's your personal preference, however you want to do yours. This is just what I decided to do to match for my little mail center. And this is the last piece. This was actually just an old picture frame that I've had, and I left the glass in. I did paint this with chalkboard paint, and I think I'm going to actually put a calendar on this over there. But this is a real nifty little trick too. You can just paint right over that glass, and you can use it for several different ideas. I think I this winter had wrote some just Christmas sayings on here, and then I wrote Winter Wonderland on one, but I am going to turn that into a calendar. And that's pretty much it for these pieces. I don't think I missed anything. Congratulations, Gina. I'm so excited for you. I'll send you my email address and you can send me yours. Well, thank you everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of the Mail Center. If so, would you please give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you subscribe if you haven't already done so. And thank you again, everyone, for all of your support. And I will be doing another drawing when I reach the 700 subscribers. So please share with your friends. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'll see you next time.